The Murang'a County Assembly on Thursday passed the Water and Sanitation Bill in a stormy session marred by allegations of bribery and blackmail. The bill seeks to give the governor control of the management of water companies, including appointing its directors. The bill also provides legal and institutional framework for provision of water and sanitation services with mechanisms of ensuring high-quality services to its citizens and commercial viability of water service providers. But as Stanley Mbichu now reports from the county, the division the bill generated saw supremacy battles pitting top county leadership and water service providers in Murang'a County.
The sailing through of the bill tabled before the County Assembly by Jane Wanjiru Muigai, chairperson of the Water, Energy and Natural Resources Committee, gives Governor Iria power to appoint the directors of water companies providing water and sanitation services, as well as outright control of revenue collection in the county.
I beg to move that the Murang'a County Water and Sanitation Services Bill number 3 of 2018 be now read a third time.
I'm Murege Amos, representing Kimorori. I vote no.
Even as a section of the members of the assembly voted for or against the bill, Majority Leader Eric Kamande maintains that the move on the floor of the House was in the interest of the people of Murang'a.
Water is devolved as per the Constitution. So what you are doing is to create structures on how to manage water in our county. That is purely the essence of this county, this assembly passing this bill. So we do not have any other hidden agenda.
I'm Francis Geduka, MCA Keumbwini, a member of Water Committee. I stand to second. Thank you.
Over the years, Gatamadhi, Kahuti, Muasco, Gatanga and Murang'a South water companies have remained objective on the service delivery for Murang'a since 2006 and solely owned by Tana Water Service Board. Muasco MD Daniel Nganga and Water and Irrigation CEC Paul Masharia have had a series of management wrangles that saw the governor intervene at some point by appointing and gazetting on interim basis new chairmen to Gatamadhi, Kahuti and Gatanga water companies.
I want to send a very clear warning to all of them that I have now come. I'm now in town. And I'm not going to forgive anybody who is doing irregularities and who is engaging in illegalities.
This water bill, it had so many politics going around it, because we understand most of the water companies does not want the Murang'a County Assembly to pass this bill, because they thought if we pass this bill, we'll take some of their mandate that they have been performing.
If the degazetted chairman executes any business, them or they and their directors and the managing director and whichever staff member will be involved will take personal liability and responsibility.
You look at this critically. What do you make of a person who first, before he calls the board meetings, he publishes a gazette notice purporting to fire all the chairmen of the water service providers? Then he's now calling you for a negotiated process. I mean, nothing. It can only be called, for lack of better word, hypocritical.
Ni hawa watu wakae chini wakiwa wote wawili, sababu najua kila mtu ako na interest zake. Wakae chini, wasikilizane, walete interest za mwananchi mbele, waache nini interest zao kando.
Last month, the managing director of Muasco was invited by the CID in Murang'a to record statement after CEC Paul Masharia launched complaints alleging that he forged his signature while seeking the renewal of Muasco license. Investigations about the matter are yet to be revealed.
If the degazetted chairman executes any business, them or they and their directors and the managing director and whichever staff member will be involved will take personal liability and responsibility.
This act is already analysis. So whether it is gazetted or not, it will still remain as that. No amount of gazettement will make it valid.
The constitution of this country is supreme. We've engaged them over a period, many times, through correspondences, through meetings, so that they can align the water companies to the constitution, and they have openly defied.
But the county government is not allowed in law to do water provision directly as a department.
Anybody who wishes to go and maybe go and challenge the bill can do so. But for us, the bill is good, and we are sure that it will serve the interest of our people.
This act is already a nullity. So whether it is gazetted or not, it will still remain as that. No amount of gazettement will make it valid.
What is it that the county government ought to do if they wanted to own the 5 companies as a legal procedure for them to have that authority, as they claim they have the mandate over the 5 companies?
In the ruling in Masi Wanjiku Kimo and 2 others, was as Governor of Murang'a, at Constitution number 55 of 2018, where the judge in Murang'a noted that is not to say that the Governor of Murang'a can wake up one morning and violently take over the management of water service providers. The Constitution in the whole shade envisioned, and once again, envisioned a negotiated orderly transition.
The law provides that Governor Iria has a window period of 14 days before signing the controversial water bill, before it is gazetted and thereafter assumed into law. Should this bill then be challenged before the courts of law, then it means the people of Murang'a will have to wait longer before the embattled waters come down and settle. Stanley Mbichu, KTN News, Murang'a County.
Well, on